Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use licenses in the CogniFit educational platform. Now, as we saw in the previous video, how to use the educational platform, CogniFit offers two kinds of products. That's assessment batteries and training programs. If you want to learn more about that, then check out that video. Remember that to access both kinds of products, it's necessary to have the required licenses. Assessment licenses are individual and single use, which means that with one license we can evaluate a student once. For example, if we want to assess 5 students on 2 occasions, we would need 10 assessment licenses. On the other hand, training licenses are individual and monthly, which means that with one license we can train a student as much as we want for a full month. During this time, the system allows the user to train from once in the month to dozens of times per day during that month, and at the end of the month another license is going to be required. So to put that another way, you could train 4 students for 3 months, and that means you're going to require 12 licenses. Now, you have to remember also that training licenses are generic, so you don't have to decide at the time of purchase what kind of training or what kind of assessment you're going to do. But when you send the licenses, this is the time to decide. These things do not expire. And another thing to remember is that they are only consumed when they are sent. This means that you could theoretically buy 100 licenses and consume them slowly over the years. If you need more information on how to invite students, then just check out our video, How to Invite Students. The CogniFit system offers a discount on the price of licenses based on the quantity. The more licenses we purchase in a single transaction, the cheaper the unit price will be. We can check the price of assessment licenses and training licenses by going to the top right menu, so that's the 3 horizontal white lines, and clicking on Preferences. Once here, simply click on the Assessments or Trainings tab to see the price. And that's in the currency available in your country for each type of license, based on the quantity of licenses that you need. Now, it should be noted that CogniFit doesn't participate in the monetization of the use of the licenses. So if the school should charge for the use of any of these activities, well, that is completely independent of the platform. Now, if you have any additional queries, feel free to contact us at support@cognifit.com. Well, that's it. I hope this video was useful for you, so thanks for watching and see you.